Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to talk about our new liquid eyeshadows. I love these. Sorry, I think I have hair in my face. We're actually just going to put this part of my bangs back, put all my hair back. Okay. I am obsessed. Ooh, I got some serious powder in my hair. I am obsessed with these new liquid shadows. So we have 4 gorgeous colors. We're going to use all 4 of these today. All right. We have Light Beam. We have our Meteor Shower, Purple Nova, and Pink Starlight. You can wear any of these individually, any in 2 or 3 combos, or all 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our Light Beam, which is our lightest color, and we're going to apply this on the inner part of the lid and under our brows. Okay. And I am also going to be using, any of our brushes, by the way, are great for this. But because I'm being really specific with colors today, I'm going to use our eye definer brush, or you can call it a smudger brush. I'm going to take this and just work this along the inside of the eye. It does dry very quickly. It's so light, so blendable. And so I'm going to lightly smooth that through under the arch of the brow. Okay. I have a little bit more on this side than the other. Excuse me. So we're just going to apply this on the inside. This is a great color you can wear all over the eye too for a quick like dash out the door look. I got my little compact. Just double checking my I'm going to put a little extra here on my hand to dip my brush into. For some reason, I'm just not getting enough. I see. Right there. And put some right here in the crease. That inner nose area. Really to brighten things up. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so we got our color in there, and I could actually go heavier with this guy right here. Okay, very good. This is really picking up the sunlight here in my room. That's why that looks darker. My mirror, it's not quite as dark. We'll clean that up just a little bit. All right, next color we're going to come in here with is going to be our Purple Nova. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand again, just so it's easier for me to work with that way than putting too much. Take my I'm going to use the same brush. Take a little bit of my Purple Nova, and we're going to do the outer corner of the eye. I'm just going to blend that in. So it's kind of like half the vanilla or the Light Beam, the other half the Purple Nova. That looks beautiful. Just going to go back and forth and blend right along that brow bone. Really work it in. You guys see what I'm doing there? So it gives some shape. Okay, I'm gonna come over here. Could you use your fingers with these? Absolutely. I'm just really sloppy with my fingers. I need precision. Brushes are where it's at. Just makes everything a little bit more precise. See how that, I'm just making sure the angle is right on both. I'm taking this up a little bit higher. You'll see I'm going to put another color on there. But isn't that beautiful, guys? Oh, that's awesome. Okay, now we're going to take our third color, Pink Starlight. And again, like, look how little I'm still using. Like, there's a lot on my hand left. These colors are going to last you a long time. I'm going to pick up the pink, and I'm actually going to apply that right up here on the purple and just blend that in. This is going to be like just a fun little pop of color over the purple pie. A little too much on my brush there. I'll go back to my purple and kind of just really in that crease, just make sure I don't blend that crease away. So for this kind of eye, absolutely can use your fingers, but I think having a really good brush makes the biggest difference. You're going to want to clean the brush. You're not going to want to let this sit and dry and keep using the same brush for the same look day after day after day. That's not cool. So some eye makeup remover, a brush cleaner. Oh, look at how that just really pops that. Right? Isn't that pretty? I absolutely love that. I can go back with my brush. Again, I would probably use a clean brush, but go back with our light theme and just blend. I like a soft blended eye. I don't like harsh lines. Some people like that. It's a personal preference. Just blend that out. Okay, now our fourth color that we did not use is our Meteor Shower. We're going to use this for liner. Are you ready? We're going to use our eyebrow brush with this tip. I'm going to dip it in our Meteor Shower. And we're going to come in here just along the lash line. Oh, that looks so pretty. So, so pretty. I'm going to do the lower lash line with this too. I'll just do it a little darker. Right up here. You guys see I'm doing my lower lash line. I like to stop about 2/3 of the way over. Then blend this out. This is just going to give you a nice light hint of color under here. Just darken those lashes. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this look. I actually can't take credit for this look. This was something that one of my customers at one of our appointments did. And I was like, oh my God, that's genius. So, Kayla, if you are watching, girl, thank you. I love when your customers can teach you new tricks too, right? I went a little thick there. I went a little thick. So, what happens when you make a mistake? Well, the best part, before it dries, just blend it. Right? And then I'm going to come back. Yeah, that looks awesome. I am loving that. So dry, so nice and light and natural. Looks awesome. So happy with how that turned out. I do notice I have a little bit more purple over here than my other eye. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the pink and just blend that down, that purple. Yeah. Make sure everything looks nice and even. All right. Look how much color is still left on my hand, guys. This is impressive. Love these. Brand new, amazing. How am I going to finish this look? Very simply. I'm going to finish with our Ultimate Lash Mascara. I'm going to come in here. If this bothers you, I'm sorry. I'm going to crimp my lashes. Hold it down right on the base. And you're going to work your way out, crimping as you kind of gently pull it through. And with my mascara, I'm going to go right in at the lash line, wiggle and pull through. This is one of my favorite mascaras, just for a quick natural look. Of course, if you want Vavoom, you want to go with Lash Intensity. Look at that difference that mascara makes. I'm gonna come in here. Yeah, love it. Okay. Right against the lash line, crimp, hold, and then work our way through, crimping as I tilt it the whole way out. There's a coffee book on all the faces women make when they wear mascara. Pretty funny, right? We always have our mouth open. There, I'm trying to not have my mouth open. Feels weird. Go right in that lash line, wiggle back and forth, and pull through. Come down here, get the lower lashes. Wow, what do y'all think? Isn't that beautiful? That looks awesome, guys. Love it. All that's left now is a little bit of lip. So if you want to watch some of the previous videos we did about how to get mom-proof foundation or awesome brows or what colors and where to apply it for your cheeks, make sure you check out some of my videos before. And don't forget, if you're curious what lip color is going to go with this, stay tuned and check out our Luscious Lips video. Until next time, we'll see you then.